Hello folks, in this video we are going to learn about media tags in HTML. So media tags are like audio and video tags. They are very useful when you want to embed a video or an audio inside your website along with the native controls. So let's see media tags in VS Code. So let's open VS Code and under that I have tutorials folder. So as you can see I have created a new folder tutorial-10 along with an index.html which has again nothing. So let's start with the boilerplate code. Here I'll write an empty div. Let's change the title to media tags. Now I'll first start with the video tag. So to embed a video inside your website, you need to start with video tag, and inside that we have a source which can be self-closing. It has src, and now you need to paste here the video URL. So guys, I have got a video URL from the online resource for you guys. So I'll paste it here simply. And let's say something in the browser. So I'll maximize this. I'll close this. I'll click on go live again. So as you can see, it has successfully rendered the video on my website, but I can't see the controls. So to see the controls, I have to right click here, click on show all controls, and now I can see all the controls, right? But I don't want this behavior. I want the controls to be appear by default on the screen. So how can we do that? So simple thing, controls property is there on the video tag. Now, once I save it, go back. Now, as you can see, the controls are appearing by default. So I can play the video. As you can see, right, you can go forward, you can come back, you can enter the full screen, you can mute it, you can increase or decrease the volume. Also, you can play with this stuff like picture in picture and playback speed and download. Let's pause it for now. What else do we have? So we also have an autoplay option. Right now, once I refresh this page, this is not making my video actually to autoplay. Why is this happening? This is because of the browser. This browser is not allowing the autoplay. Right. So what we can do to avoid this? We need to click on muted, and now, as you can see, it is autoplaying for me. If I refresh the page, it is autoplaying for me. So that was happening because of the browser protection actually. So that started to give a protection like they cannot autoplay the video until and unless it is mute. Right now you can also unmute the video. So autoplay is on for this video. Now the last thing on the video is loop. What is the meaning of loop? Let's see that. So the video is getting played. Once we reach to the end of this video, for example here, just notice one thing. Notice here that it has auto started the video for me. So that is what loop is doing here. So let's remove all these things so that it doesn't like play the video again and again. Now let's move ahead with audio tag. We need to wrap it with source, can be self-closing again. We have an src tag. Now I have already shown you that how can we embed an outside URL onto your index.html file. Now let's see how can you do it from inside. So I have a music folder, and under that I have kalimba.mp3. I want this for this specific file here. How can I do that? I'll click /music /kalimba.mp3. Right. Now let's enter the website. As you can see, I see nothing. Similarly, I need to write controls here. Now you can see the audio player here. Same, I can play or pause, increase or decrease the volume. I can download or change the playback speed. We also have the same property like I have already shown you inside the video tag. We have loop. We also have one more thing here, which is actually a preload. Yeah, this is the important thing to mention here. So what is this preload doing? So if we set preload to auto, this will preload the video or audio into the website for a better user experience, right? So we are first coming on this website, we're the first user, as the first user actually. So it we will say that this video has already downloaded, like already completed for us, loaded actually, the right term to say, and it will start to play the video for a better user experience without we have to wait for certain things. For example, this is getting loaded, so you won't face this kind of stuff. If you set preload equals to auto, now we have two more props in the preload, which is metadata. What if we select preload equals to metadata? So what this will do basically is it will download the metadata of video or audio tag, for example, the duration and stuff like that, right? And if we don't want anything, like if we want that the video or audio is fine for user when he appears on the screen, then it can be downloaded, right? And preload equals to none is by default, so you don't have to do anything for this. Great. So we are done with video and audio tags here. So this is it for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.